Hello! Let us have a review on addition of integers. So when we say integer, it is any positive or negative whole numbers including 0. So there are two rules that we are going to follow in adding integers. Rule number 1. To add integers having the same sign, copy the same sign and add the absolute value of each number. For examples, we have positive 4 plus positive 7 that is equal to positive 11. So just copy the common sign positive and then add the absolute values of 4 and 7. So the absolute value of positive 4 is 4. The absolute value of positive 7 is 7. So 4 plus 7, that is equal to 11. So without the sign here, this is understood as positive. Another example, positive 32 plus positive 41, that is equal to positive 73. So just copy the common sign positive and then add the absolute values of positive 32 and positive 41. Another one, negative 65 plus negative 5. So the common sign is negative. So just copy negative sign and then add the absolute values of negative 65 and negative 5. So the absolute value of negative 65 is positive 65, and then the absolute value of negative 5 is positive 5. So 65 and 5, that is 70. So the answer is negative 70. The last one, negative 17 plus negative 12. So again, the common sign is negative. So just copy the common sign negative and then add the absolute values of negative 17 and negative 12. So the absolute value of negative 17 is positive 17 and the absolute value of negative 12 is positive 12. So 17 and 12, that is positive 29. But then the common sign is negative, so we have the final answer is negative 29. So rule number 2. To add integers with different signs, we are going to keep or copy the sign of the number with the larger absolute value and subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger. Example, we have positive 4 plus negative 8. That is equal to negative 4. So why negative 4? Okay, according to the rule, let's go back to the rule. We are going to copy the sign of the number with larger absolute value and then subtract the integers. So, for the numbers or integers positive 4 and negative 8, the number or the integer with the larger absolute value is negative 8 because the absolute value of negative 8 is positive 8. And the absolute value of positive 4 is positive 4. So the integer with the larger absolute value is negative 8. So we're going to copy the sign of the integer with the larger absolute value. So that is why negative. And then 8 minus 4, that is 4. So negative 4 is the final answer. Number 2, negative 17 plus 12. So for the numbers or integers, negative 17 and positive 12, the one with the larger absolute value is negative 17. So we are going to copy the negative sign and then subtract the two numbers or the two integers. So 17 minus 12, that is 5. So the final answer is negative 5. Another one, negative 65 plus 5. So for the two integers, negative 65 and 5, the one with the larger absolute value is negative 65. So we're going to copy the sign of negative 65. So we are going to have negative here. And then subtract the two integers. So 65 minus 5, that is 60. So the final answer is negative 60. Example number 4. Negative 32 plus 41. So for the two integers, negative 32 and 41, 41 is the integer with the larger absolute value. So the answer would be positive. And then subtracting 41 and 32, so 41 minus 32, that is 9. So positive 9. Last one, 90 plus negative 89. So for the two integers 90 and negative 89, the one with the bigger absolute value is positive 90. So we're going to have the positive answer. So 90 minus 89, of course, that is 1. So positive 1. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.